Hello guys, konnichiwa. From today we are starting the learning Japanese language. In the beginning, we are learn from hiragana. Let's the beginning. Hiragana consists of 46 characters. Please say with me. A, I, U, E, O, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko, Sa, Si, Su, Se, So, Ta, Chi, Chu, Te, To, Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No, Ha, Hi, Fu, He, Ho, Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo, Ya, Yu, Yo, Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro, Wa, O. Now let's learn how to write hiragana. So take the copy, pencil and eraser and write it like I wrote. A, I, U, E, O. Ta, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Sa, Si, Su, Se, So. Ta, Chi, Chu, Te, To. Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No. A, I, Fu, He, Ho. Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo. Ya, Yu, Yo. Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro. wa, o, na. If you want to write hiragana step by step, I have uploaded a hiragana chart in the description of the video. Please download it from there. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more Japanese language.